What's up, traders? A very quick update on natural gas, gold, crude oil, palladium, copper, and silver. So, I'm going to go through all the commodity market really quickly. So, let's quickly jump on to our analysis with natural gas first. Okay, awesome. What do we have? Nice double bottom. We got a rejection once, twice, making this a valid double bottom pattern. And let me quickly show you what I've said in my previous videos, as I just want to give you a little tip for your trading. Won't be long. At this point, this is what I look. This is a valid head and shoulder pattern, and this looks an entry to me. And now if the market on Monday opens crazily in gap, then this condition will become invalid. Now in this case, if the market keeps on pushing down, then the head and shoulder pattern will be invalid. That will be a more of a double bottom pattern. Market is now in the rejection zone right here. This is a rejection zone. Let's say this candle close as a red candle, then we have a next green candle after that. Then it will be a completion of a double bottom engulfing pattern, and with that I will look for 180 target or enter with a good reason to enter. If this candle become an engulfing candle, that is also a good sign that the market will likely to break above this zone. Okay, great. So my bias for last whole week was bullish, as we had this rejection area. We got rejected here, we got rejected here. That is why I was not expecting any sort of sell trade. We did have a head and shoulder pattern. As you know, I've said that if market opens in gap, then we can expect a double bottom pattern as well. And also, if you remember, I've said in my last video that if this candle closes as an engulfing candle, which happened here, then we have a very likely chance that market will push up. So now the thing I want to show you, these zones are really important for your trading. If you know how to mark these zones correctly, then chances of taking right decision will increase dramatically. That is why in my priority group, I send these zones every week. Every single week, I send 5 to 6 pairs, so that once you see these pairs and just scroll back down and see how I mark these zones, then you will have a good idea by watching it every week that what I look at to mark these zones. So that is why it is really important to look at these zones. Now, with that being said, if you are at the support area, then it is not a good idea to start sell, because we have a buyer's protection here. So once you have a buyer protection, there is no point of fighting with the buyers, because buyers already showed you one rejection here. Market pushed up from here, came back down. Within the same area, buyer pushed the market again. That is why once you are at the area of values, if you don't know this rule, then you might be selling here. You might be selling here by seeing this so many red candles, and you might be sell here, and that could be a fear of missing out. You start selling here, that market is now keep on pushing out, and you start selling here in a hope that the market will fall, but instead from this rejection area, market push back up. So with that being said, now I just want to give you this tip: whenever you are in a buying or selling area, do not go opposite. So what to expect next from natural gas? As you can see, market has pushed up from here. We got this nice big engulfing candle here, and we are above this major area. Actually, it's a minor area that has been reacted really good. Now we do have a neckline here. That is a resistance formed with this pattern. Now, if you are in a buy trade, either you can manage your position, and if you are in a long trade, so that if the market reverses here, it will protect you to hit your stop loss. Now, this will be a good zone to exit your trade. 8.432 goes up to 8.584, because I'm expecting a little push down from here. But now we are above 50 and 20 EMA both. We can expect a push down before we can get a nice engulfing pattern. We got a really nice engulfing pattern in copper, which I'm going to show you momentarily. The reason why I have a really good idea about possible formation of these moves, because I spend most of the time looking at the chart. I've spent so many years looking at the charts and trading how market can react. We are above 50 and 20 EMAs. With experience, I'm sure you guys will also learn that in time you can exit here, and then we can expect pullback. We can expect a pullback here, and then we can expect another engulfing candle before the market will push up. Now, if the market keeps on pushing up, I'm expecting market to hit 8.860, goes up to 9.299. This is the zone we can expect another fall. This is a major area of value. As you can see, market has previously fallen from here. That is why I'm expecting market to push down from here. So keep these zones on your charts. Same on currency.com, guys. We have this zone here, 8.372, sorry, 8.327 goes up to 8.450. This is a zone you want to exit your trade. We are broken above this zone, not completely, but it's likely to push up and hit this area. Once we hit this area, we look for a pullback, maybe a retest of this zone to take another long trade. Next zone we have here is 8.911 goes up to 9.337. So this is what you need to look at for the next move of natural gas. Let's check gold. Awesome. What do we have here? Push down, and we will look for a same entry condition, something like this. If we have that, then we can take our longs till 1805 goes up to 1811. Okay, right after the hit of this zone, market quickly fallen back down. Now, in this case, we this is a minor zone, and we have this strange wick here. So that is why I won't be looking to sell at this point yet. We can still expect another push up, and once we have a push up, I will look for a good reason to enter as a double tops, as an engulfer, or if we have a pullback, then we can expect another engulfing candle to take long trade like something like this. So at this point, not selling. Yes, we can get a pullback to this zone again. So keep an eye here. I will only sell once we have a very good reason to sell from this zone. This zone again is 1805.29 goes up to 1811.055. Let's check silver. Okay, awesome. What do we have? Guys, again, if you are in my priority group, you must know this entry pattern right here. And as you can see, the ATR of this candle is 17. And if you see here, if you would have entered here, market moved up 27 pips from here. That would be a winning trade for you as well. I hope you are learning out of my priority group, and I hope you are learning here in my YouTube videos, because I also try to teach you here in my videos. You see this engulfing pattern, market pushed up, now broken above this rejection zone. At this point, we are broken above the rejection zone. I won't be looking for double tops because we have a breach of this zone. Yes, we might see a pullback in this zone before the silver can push up from here. So not selling at this point until we are completely broken below this red zone. So if the market keeps on pushing up from here, the next zone for silver, which I'm expecting to hit if we have a good bullish momentum, which is 21.780, goes up to 21.1036. So this is a zone from where we will look for counter trades if we have a good push up from silver. So have these zones on your charts. Let's check copper. Okay, awesome. What do we have? A nice reason to enter. Let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video. But if you have a pullback again with an engulfing pattern, then you can take another long trade. Right, so exact move, we got a pullback with an engulfing candle right here. The ATR of this candle is 36. And if you look here, market pushed up around 60 pips from here, and looking at that, that would be enough to hit your targets. And if you follow me really closely, then guys, I'm sure you must be taking some badass trades. As I have already shown you, we had nice reason to enter on gold, silver, in copper. Commodity market is moving perfectly technically, so that is why I hope you are learning out of it. Now with that, I've already mentioned this zone yesterday right above. If you have not seen my yesterday's video, you can go back and see the yesterday's video. This is a zone from where I want to see a good engulfing candle or a double bottom pattern to take short trade. That this is the major zone I'm paying attention to take my sell trade. Before that, we can still expect a pullbacks, and market will likely to push up until we hit this zone. Not selling until we are completely broken below 50 EMA and in this zone. Let's check palladium. Perfect. Awesome. What do we have here? Now market did hit our target right here. Let me quickly show you what I've said in my yesterday's video. We had a double top move. And with that, I'm expecting some push down from here, which is 36. ADR is 36. And looking at the 36 ADR, this is what you can expect for your target. Great. So after hitting the target with an ATR of 36 pips, as you can see, market quickly pushed up. That is why it's really, really important to look at the volatility of the market. ATR keeps you with that. And if you see that market hit the target and right away pushed up. So really important to see that. Now, as you can see, market is still in this zone. If we have a break and close above right here, then we have a likely chance that the market will continue its trend and hit this next level of resistance right here, from where we might see a pullback again to take our short trades. If we are completely broken above, then we have a likely chance that the palladium will push up from here again. And the next level I will tell you once the market completely broken above. Let's check crude oil. Okay, great. Now what do we have? We have market pushed up, came back down, pushed up again. As per my yesterday's video, exact move now we have. At this point, we have a next red candle. That is a chance that the market will fall here again. Again, I will look for 1 ATR target. You can still manage your position if you want to after taking your targets, but with commodities, I look for 1 ATR, 1.5 ATR, sometimes 2 ATRs target. Depends on the volatility. And now we are at 50 EMA. We have a likely chance we can get a red engulfing candle. Once you have that, we are good to take short trades. Use 1 ATR for your targets. Any questions? Buzz me on Instagram if you're confused. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.